Hello friends! The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE 5G is a mid-range phone with some high-end features. It has a 6.4-inch 120Hz display, an octa-core processor, 8GB of RAM, and a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50-megapixel main sensor. The battery is 4500 mAh and supports wireless charging and fast charging. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE 5G is a good option for users who are looking for a powerful and feature-rich mid-range phone. Moreover, it's important to consider the price, as some competing phones may offer similar configuration for a bit less. The phone is available in several colors, and for price details, check the link given in the description. Here's a quick configuration: 6.4-inch 120Hz FHD Plus display, octa-core processor, 8GB of RAM, 128GB or 256GB storage, 50 megapixel plus, 12 megapixel plus, 8 megapixel rear camera system, 4500 mAh, battery with wireless charging and fast charging Android 13.